Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instruction, visit the bottom page. This stuffed beef meatloaf with Swiss cheese, mortadella, and Parmigiano cream sauce is a refined twist on a classic comfort dish. A tender blend of lean ground beef, fresh herbs, and aromatic vegetables is flattened, layered with creamy Swiss cheese, smoky mortadella, and sweet roasted garlic, then rolled into a rich, flavorful loaf. Baked to perfection, it's finished with a silky Parmigiano cream sauce that adds depth and elegance. Garnished with microgreens and a touch of pink peppercorn, this dish is hearty yet sophisticated, perfect for a special family dinner or an impressive centerpiece at any gathering. Bon appétit! Instructions: 1. Prepare the aromatics. Remove sage and rosemary leaves from their stems and chop finely. Roughly chop onion, celery, carrots, and garlic. Blend or process until finely minced. 2. Make the meat mixture. In a large bowl, combine ground beef, chopped herbs, blended vegetables, egg, dried basil, salt, white pepper, and pink peppercorns. Mix well, add breadcrumbs to absorb excess liquid until mixture is firm but moist. 3. Shape and fill the meatloaf. Place mixture on a sheet of parchment paper, cover with another sheet, and flatten with a rolling pin into an even round shape, about 1 to 1.5 centimeters thick. Remove the top parchment, layer Swiss cheese and mortadella evenly on top. 4. Roast the garlic. Cut the tops off the whole garlic bulbs from the 2 whole garlic in ingredients. Drizzle with olive oil, wrap in foil, and roast at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 20 minutes until soft and caramelized. Squeeze roasted garlic onto the mortadella layer and spread evenly. 5. Roll the meatloaf. Using the bottom parchment paper, roll the meat tightly into a log. Twist parchment ends like a candy wrapper to secure. Place meatloaf on a rack over a roasting pan with 2 to 3 centimeters, about 1 inch of water underneath. 6. Bake. Roast at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours until fully cooked. Remove from oven, carefully unwrap, and let rest for 10 minutes. Slice into thick rounds. 7. Prepare the Parmigiano cream sauce. In a saucepan, combine cream, bay leaf, and Parmigiano Reggiano. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly until slightly reduced and creamy. Remove bay leaf before serving. 8. Serve. Spoon Parmigiano cream sauce onto plates. Place slices of meatloaf on top and garnish with microgreens and a sprinkle of pink peppercorn. Serve warm. Subscribe and get notified. Thank you for stopping by.